There's a lot of new stuff out there with that bear, so it doesn't make him sick.
Wait. Oh, there he is. He's moving.
There we go.
Why does he get sick?
I don't know. I don't put like healthy, good food out there. It's just rotting things. You know, I looked out this morning and the compost was up, and then I looked out again, and I said it's knocked over, and it looks funny because the bear is the same color.
I want to open the door.
Not yet.
What?
Not yet.
Can we?
I don't know what it will do. I guess if you open the door, I'll get a good shot of the bear running away. I didn't think he'd stick around this long.
That family of bears really likes this house.
Yeah, it is. Well done, there's his breakfast.
Man, wow, he was hungry.
Yeah. There he goes.
Can we open it?